Hello folks, let's quickly come to the problem number 19 of this exercise 7.5. It is a little bit similar to what we have done in the last problem, but not very similar, because there we had these kind of terms both in the numerator and denominator, and now here we are having this particular quadratic, two quadratics of, like, they are factors in the denominator. But the feather in the cap over here is that you have got a linear in the numerator, and linear in the numerator will help you to understand that the substitution is going to work here. Okay, but that was not the case in the earlier one, but here you can do substitution, and so matters become very simpler, and then you are able to get the integral really fast. So here first let's consider this particular thing, that 2x over x square plus 1 times x square plus 3. Should we ever consider this? No need. I think we can directly go in for the substitution, and then so as I told you, the substitution is going to work well here. So let's call u as x squared, and when you take the derivative, it is going to be 2x dx. Like that, I is going to become du, because 2x dx is du, and this is going to become u plus 1 times u plus 3. That's very easy. 2 linear in the denominator means we have a partial fraction stepping in, and that's how we are going to consider, or let 1 over u plus 1 times u plus 3 as a over u plus 1 and b over u plus 3. We all know that u plus 1 times u plus 3 is a LCM, which means this entire thing has to be multiplied by u plus 3, and this entire thing has to be multiplied by u plus 1, so that you get a common denominator, u plus 1 times u plus 3. Here it is 1 over u plus 1 times u plus 3, which easily cancels each other, and as a result, the expression that we have now, it's a times u plus 1 plus b times, a times u plus 3 plus b times u plus 1 is 1. For us to get the values of a and b, let's substitute u as negative 1. When u is negative 1, this entire thing vanishes, and you get a times negative 1 plus 2 is negative 1 plus 3 is 2, 1. So a is half. So also, if you substitute u as negative 3, then this is going to vanish, and you are going to have b times negative 3 plus 1, that's negative 2, which is 1. So b becomes negative half. So you have got a and b. Now it's easy to do the integral. Yeah. So from here and here all together, so your I, see, you can have this together, and your I therefore becomes integral of, this has become this. So it's a, which is half over u plus 1 and negative half over u plus 3 du actually, but then when we split it, it will become half times du over u plus 1 minus half times du over u plus 3. Now half times, we all know linear in the denominator means it's going to be log, so it's going to be log modulus u plus 1 minus half log modulus u plus 3 plus. Now, okay, u is our creation, so we cannot leave the answer here. Let's come back to x. So it will be half times log modulus u is x squared, so it's x squared plus 1 minus half log modulus x squared plus 3 plus. That's all. And of course, as I always tell you, that log, you have your own choice of whatever modifications that you want to do as per the logarithmic properties. You will have equivalent results coming up from there. So that should be all for this video, and so relatively simpler as compared to the 18th problem that we saw. So that's all for this, and with more problems we meet in the next video. As I always tell, please popularize the channel, spread a word amongst your friends, and see that we get a lot of subscriptions and that the channel becomes more popular. Thank you.